Wrap yourself in a relaxing, spa-like experience with the Live Fine Towel Warmer. Heat up your comfortable fabrics like bath sheets, towels, bathrobes, and blankets to keep you nice and toasty after a shower or around your home. Place your unfolded bath sheet into the standard size warmer, or pack 2 bath sheets into the large towel warmer. Cover the towel warmer with a removable lid and set timer on the LCD display with a press of a button. Select between 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, and relax as your warmer evenly distributes heat through your bath sheet. Once the timer ends, the device will automatically shut off, and the hot surface indicator light will turn off, letting you know when it is safe to touch. The Live Fine Towel Warmer's sleek, modern design is available in black, white, or gray, making it an elegant-looking addition to your home. Place it in the comfort of your bedroom or right in your bathroom so you have a nice warm towel ready as soon as you step out of the shower. The Live Fine Towel Warmer is great for everyone, making it a wonderful gift for friends, family, or yourself. Experience luxurious relaxation with the Live Fine Towel Warmer.